in this question, how do we find the bearing of Okene from Zaria? Now, but take note that the bearing of Zaria from Okene is 115 degrees. Now, take note of this. Zaria, this angle tells us the angular direction, okay, of Zaria from Okene. Since it is from Okene, it means we are drawing our angle from Okene. Okay, now first of all, what we need to do is to draw your cardinal points: the north, the south, the east, and the west. And always take note that while drawing your bearing, always start from the north and draw it clockwise. Okay, now this is our Okene, and let us represent it as O here. Now we draw from here. Now take note that each quadrant here has a degree of 90 degrees. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, which means the whole of it is 360. So when we start from here, since it is 115, it means that our 115 will fall in within this second quadrant here. Okay, now we start from here down to, so let us assume here. So we draw a line. Okay, now here we now at this point draw a cardinal point that intercepts the point. Okay, so this is Okene and this will be what? Our Zaria. Now the question is, what is the bearing of Okene from Zaria? Now take note that here is 115. So it means that the remaining part here, take note from this angle here, is 180. So let us say 180 minus 115. Now this will give us 65. So here we have what? 65 degrees. Okay, now the bearing of Okene from Zaria, we take our angle from here, you draw and meet the line coming from Okene. So here we have 90, we have 90, here we have 90. Now what then the angle here, since it's not complete, it's not completing 90. So what we just need to do here is, now here we have this quadrant here is 90 degrees. Okay, for us to get this angle, which is alternate to this angle here, what we need to do is 115 minus 90, and this will give us what? 25. So the part here is 25. So we had 90 plus 90 plus 90. This is 270. Now plus 25. Now this gives us 295 degrees. So the bearing of Okene from Zaria is 295. Thank you and God bless you.